Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essentials: a valid email, phone number, and a personal Instagram account to convert. First, open Settings, tap Account, and choose Switch to Professional Account, select Business. Once done, connect your Facebook page to unlock ads and unified inbox. This allows better analytics and ad management. Make sure your contact info is added so customers can call or email directly. Use a business-appropriate username and profile photo now. Because recognition, you now craft a compelling profile and content system. Start with a concise bio. State your value, add a one-line CTA and include contact details. Set the category and an action button like book or shop. Next, choose a landing link. Use a single URL to funnel traffic. Then build a content plan, 3 pillar themes, schedule 12 launch posts, and commit to 2 reels per week to boost reach. Once scheduled, maintain consistent visuals so your grid tells a coherent brand story. You're ready to launch and grow. Promote your top-performing post with a modest ad spend. Try $5 to $20 per day for a short test to build initial reach and followers. Monitor insights closely. Focus on engagement, saves, and reach, and adapt topics that perform best. Once you have traction, enable shopping or lead forms. If something breaks, stories not posting or ads failing, reauthorize your Facebook connection, clear app cache, update Instagram, and retry. That fixes most authorization and sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.